Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show making of this beautiful kundan work designing embellished with the golden beads using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. I had already stuck the green color kundan in the center. Now next to this I would be adding gold zardosy string of very small size, 1 centimeter length, and we need to give couple of stitches on it. Next to that I'd be joining sugar beads of nearly 15 and giving couple of stitches on it. Again next to that we have to add zardosy string. This is how step by step we need to follow, and after that I'd be applying the glue all around this zardosy string to stick red color kundans of very small size. Again I'll place the zardosy string like this, and we have to give an invisible stitches on it. Follow these steps carefully one after another so that it will make your work easy to do. You can try these patterns on already stitched blouses to convert into new designer blouse. And I'd be extending this with the gold metallic beads of 2 mm size with the sugar bead, both inserting at a dime. On this tip I'd be stitching 3 of beads like this, and underneath I'll stitch the 7 beads with the sugar beads. These works will really looks elegant and gives the richness once you wear it, and you can't believe that these designs are so simple. Within less efforts and less time taking, we can create these type of expensive designer patterns easily at home. So firstly I would be stitching the center one, followed with 3 metallic beads to either sides. I'll be stitching here. The materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, kindly check it. The pattern will be elaborated towards the sides. For that I had stuck the silver color kundans of leaf shape followed with the sugar beads to highlight that shape particularly, and next to this I would be joining the gold zardosy string. This is how the side pattern will be extended on both the sides, and underneath this I would be joining 2 of the sugar beads like this with 5 lines. These are very creative patterns which is trending right now. It's the festive occasion. We can try these designs with less time and less efforts for the coming Dasara or Deepavali. Now that the kundans is completely dried, I'd be stitching the zardosy strings of very small size like this to fill in the gaps in between these kundans. I hope step-by-step elaboration is useful to you all. If you have any doubts, you can write to me in the comment section so that I can address. And final lookout would look like this. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your commenter circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.